BlackBerry Key 2 isn't the first Android-powered BlackBerry, but it is by far the best. This phone has a lot of strengths and weaknesses. So we are going to discuss 7 things you need to know before buying this smartphone. Let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing. Drop the box, cut it open, you will find the glory. Keep the phone aside, you will know where your money went. Now, we have 3 boxes. One is for charging adapter, next is for USB-C cable, and last one is for the earphones. Yes, you get earphones with this smartphone. That's about the unboxing experience, which was great. Alright, now let's talk about the design of the smartphone. Without a doubt, this is the modern day BlackBerry. The Key 2 is lightweight yet sturdy and solid. The bottom third of the front is taken up by the physical keyboard. The rest is predominantly the screen. The Key 2 is lightweight yet solid thanks to the chassis made from 7000 series aluminium. It comes with a front covered in Corning Gorilla Glass, a sturdy frame and a grippy plastic back. Well, on the right we have the convenience key, power button and the volume rockers. On the top we have the headphone jack, the secondary noise cancellation. On the left we have the SIM card slot. And at the bottom we have the speakers, which sounds average, and USB-C port for charging and transferring data. The BlackBerry Key 2 looks good and feels sturdy. All in all, the BlackBerry scores really well in the design department. Now on to the 4.5-inch display, which isn't great for overall media consumption and gaming. The company could have gone with a longer display as there are no bottom bezels. Well, the Key 2 might not be the most media-friendly device, but as it is an IPS panel, it gives out a rich colors, crisp details and good viewing angles. Now let's jump on to the internals. The Key 2 doesn't have the most powerful chipset inside, but Snapdragon 660, which is quite fine, but the price point is questionable. It coped up well with whatever we threw at it. Even for loading games, it didn't take that much longer than a higher powered flagship smartphones do. Switching between applications was a breeze thanks to the speed key, which lets you hop between applications with a press of a button. But with that said, BlackBerry could have gone with Snapdragon 845 for better performance and could have justified the price point as well. Now to the camera, where Key 2 lagged visibly from other flagship smartphones. Going with the trend, BlackBerry has added a dual camera setup on the back, both 12 megapixel lens capable of producing portrait mode shots with depth effect and background blur. At the front, it has 8 megapixel selfie camera. Well, the results aren't particularly special, but they are fine. The portrait mode functioned really well. It is safe to say that Key 2 does much better in the daylight than in any other conditions. And talking about low light conditions, the results aren't great at all. It clearly doesn't match up with any other smartphones in the same price range, especially considering we have OnePlus 6, which is priced less than this smartphone. Now coming to the storage, RAM management and battery life. Out of 64 gigs of storage, you'll get to use approximately around 50 gigs. And coming to the memory management, it sports 6 gigs of RAM, which manages the task well. And the 3000 mAh quick charge 3.0 battery will get through a whole day without even trying. Alright, now let's point out 3 things of this smartphone. Starting off with the physical keyboard. For some users, nothing can replace typing on a physical keyboard, and as this is a BlackBerry, keyboard is mandatory. The Key 2 has a bigger and a clickier keyboard, which is touch sensitive too. So you can quickly swipe up to select predictive words that appear on the bottom of the screen. The fingerprint sensor is equipped with the spacebar, so it is pretty easy to unlock the device. The key itself wasn't sturdy enough when compared to other keys on this keyboard. Secondly, the speed key, one of the features that quickly becomes an habit. Well, it just takes a fraction of a second to go from one app to another app once this key is programmed. Well, you could easily hop between Instagram, Facebook, Messenger just by pressing the speed key along with I, F or M respectively. And lastly, DTech, of course. BlackBerry focuses a lot on security and privacy of the users. The DTech app remains the same if not updated, keeping you up to date with the security status of the smartphone and managing which permissions have been accessed by the apps. The new edition of the updated locker lets you add files, images, apps behind the password or the fingerprint sensor, which is really great. Now to the verdict. The BlackBerry Key 2 has everything its fan would expect: a massively improved keyboard, performance boost and a good battery life. But for overall users, there are literally a lot of smartphones in the same price tag or maybe lesser than that. You could opt for that. And namely, we have OnePlus 6, which is lesser than this but has a good performance. But if you're a BlackBerry fan, this is the smartphone to go for. Either way, what do you guys think about this smartphone? Does it justify the price point? Do let us know in the comment section below. Connect with us on Twitter and Instagram for various insights. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, links in the description. That's it with this quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful. And if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Until the next one, this has been Atish from Tech Dipper signing off. Thanks for watching.